Hello, and today I've got for you a bit of vehicle technology news. So it's January 2021 and Mercedes has just introduced its MBUX Hyperscreen, which although is intended for its fully electric EQS saloon, which will be out before long, because of the tourist nature of this piece of equipment, will absolutely certainly find its way in one form or another into those vehicles which are designed to be converted to RVs. This MBUX Hyperscreen is one of these multifunctional entertainment units which does all the usual things you'd expect, such as a radio, plays music, navigation, phone, messaging, it controls the vehicle comfort systems, it makes the teas, and it transports the driver to spaceships and all that sort of stuff that they normally do. But this one has also got the additional feature of supplying information about points of interest en route. It's called the Mercedes Travel Knowledge, and that is why I believe it's going to find its way into RVs before long. It's a bit like an Alexa with navigation and a radio, and play music and makes the tea and transports you to spaceships and this type of thing. So we've got a film here from Mercedes, so let's see how it works.
Hey Mercedes, what's that building on the right?
This is Mercedes-Benz Museum. It has a rating of 5 stars and is currently open. It covers the history of the Mercedes-Benz brand and the brands associated with it.
Oh, nice. Drive me there.
I will show you the way.
Hey Mercedes, when was the Mercedes-Benz Museum built?
According to Wikipedia, the Mercedes-Benz Museum was completed on the 19th of May, 2006.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, as you can see, all you have to do is to say, hey Mercedes, what can you tell me about this building? Or hey Mercedes, what is the name of the restaurant on the left? Or hey Mercedes, who's that lady over there, and does she like blokes from Newcastle who live in camper vans with smelly dogs, and what is her phone number? Now, what's particularly useful is that the user doesn't have to scroll through lots of sub-menus or enter voice commands. That's why Mercedes calls this a zero layer. The most important applications, such as navigation or telephone, which are always offered situationally and contextually on the top level in the field of vision. More than 20 other functions are available, from the active massage program to suggestions for the to-do list, and they're automatically displayed with the help of artificial intelligence, if they are relevant to the driver. And for those of you who are into the IT bit, it's got 8 CPU cores, 24 gigabytes of RAM and 46.4 gigabytes per second RAM memory bandwidth. Now, what you're probably wondering is this: what would be better? Should I get an Alexa? Should I have this Mercedes system? Or perhaps the best thing of all to get is a talking dog? So, I'm going to put this to the test right now. Tosha, when's the Mercedes-Benz Museum open? I don't know. I'm a dog. What do you expect me to know? I'm swimming. Leave us alone. So, thanks very much, and make your own decision from that, what you think, and what type of navigation information teleporter systems do you think should be needed in a vehicle, and what have you indeed got yourself? So why not write the answer down below, and I'll bring more of this type of stuff as and when I know it. Thanks. Bye.